Welcome to Odisha Post Live. You are watching News Roundup of the day. Here are today's top stories. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik on Tuesday appealed the people of the state not to lower guard against COVID-19 as there are chances of rise in the number of infections, particularly during the upcoming winter and festive season. Patnaik urged people not to congregate at public places and observe Durga Puja and Diwali in their respective homes. He said although the daily COVID-19 caseload and the positivity rate in the state has started to decline, the character profile of coronavirus is very critical and all need to be extra cautious. He lauded the contribution of people and frontline health workers because of whom Odisha has been successful in the ongoing battle against COVID-19. Tribal people of Daringbadi locality in Kandhamal district opposed vehemently on Tuesday the development of an eco-retreat project in the area. They alleged that the district administration had not consulted them before starting the project. According to locals, the land where the eco-retreat project is to be developed is a forest area. It is a source of income for the tribals living in that locality. They said that a proper rehabilitation program has to be worked out for them. Prior to that, they will not allow any destruction of forest land. Paddy farmers of Bargarh district staged a protest in front of the district collector's office on Tuesday demanding compensation for crop losses due to the hailstorm during the Rabi season 2020. They alleged that they have made several representations since January 2020 but no action has been taken. The Sri Jagannath Temple administration has finally decided to resume selling of abhada in the Sri Mandir only during month of Kartik. Krishna Chandra Pratihari, the secretary of Suwara Mahasura Nijog, said that decision was taken by the SGTA following a meeting with the Suwara Mahasura Nijog in this regard. Alarmed by cases of rapes and molestations reported at COVID-19 centers in Maharashtra, the National Council for Women on Tuesday asked the state government to ensure that standard operating procedures are strengthened to prevent such crimes. In a major development, the Central Bureau of Investigation probing the Hathras case in which a Dalit girl was allegedly gang raped and later died of injuries has found that one of the four accused is a minor according to his school records. That's all for today's bulletin. You are watching Odisha Post Live. For more such updates, stay tuned to Odisha Post Live.